Hi, I'm U.S. Congressman Brian Fitzpatrick from Pennsylvania's 1st Congressional District, and it is my distinct honor to invite you to our community here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania for the TUFH 2025 Annual Conference. As a proud and leading part of the greater Philadelphia region, we are the birthplace of our great nation, a place where the spirit of America was born and continues to thrive. Our community remains a vibrant center of innovation, of culture, and of rich history. We can't wait for you to experience everything that makes our community so extraordinary. See you in 2025.
Hi, I'm Teen Hansen-Turton, President and CEO of Wood System of Care. We're a population health network serving vulnerable people in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We're thrilled to host TUFH 2025 here in the greater Philadelphia region of the United States. Wood System of Care is located in historic Bucks County, which is in the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, a state along the east coast of the United States. Here and in neighboring New Jersey, you'll be close to charming towns, gourmet dining, and outdoor activities that span beautiful landscapes. It's the perfect balance between learning and leisure. Just a short drive away, you'll find Philadelphia, the sixth largest city in the United States. It's the cradle of American independence and democracy. It was the site of the drafting of the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution, as well as home to Benjamin Franklin. Franklin co-founded Pennsylvania Hospital, the first hospital to serve the poor, which helped cement the city's reputation as a seat of medical innovation. The city is home to the country's leading medical institutions, including the College of Physicians of Philadelphia, and its one-of-a-kind medical history and science exhibits at the Buddha Museum, home to interesting medical specimens. In Philadelphia, you can visit some of the country's first medical institutions, walk in the footsteps of America's founders, and enjoy world-class dining, theater, culture, and entertainment. Looking to extend your trip? Well, New York City is just an hour away by train. Visit world-renowned medical centers like Mount Sinai, New York Presbyterian, take in a Broadway show, and visit iconic sites like the Statue of Liberty. Or head south to Washington, D.C., the nation's capital, to dig deep into American history and government, explore countless museums, and enjoy vibrant food, art, culture, and much more.
I'm Dr. Sailaja Musunuri, Executive Director for the Mollywood Hair Global Centers of Excellence, Chief of Psychiatry and EVP of Integrative Medicine at Wood System of Care. The Mollywood Hair Global Centers of Excellence focuses on neurodivergent population, mental health, partnership with TUFH and World Health Organization, is dedicated to disseminating clinical practice standards and guidelines for complex population. The center supports policy efforts worldwide to improve health equity, reduce health disparities, and increase access to healthcare for people with neurodivergence and disabilities. We proudly partner with 20 academic institutions in the greater Philadelphia area, and we are focused on training current and future providers.
I'm Nicholas Torres, President of TUFH. TUFH 2025 will bring together international, intergenerational, and intersectorial global leaders to collectively advance primary healthcare as the primary approach to build bridges between training the healthcare workforce and clinical practice within our communities. Social accountability, defined as being responsive to people and society needs. Interprofessional and collaborative care, providing patient-centered care. Quality care for Native, migrant, refugee, and asylum seekers, remote and rural, women, elderly, intellectually development delayed and autistic and other complex care populations, and partnerships for the local adoption and implementation of global practices. TUFH 2025, as in all conferences, will provide Conference on the Move, where you will be able to see and feel and learn with and from many of the healthcare providers locally in Greater Philadelphia.